current severe weather situation. First off, just moments ago, the National Weather Service in Birmingham issuing a severe thunderstorm warning for Tuscaloosa County, effective until 4:30 this afternoon. Let's go to our live radar, the in-house radar, 6. Here's the city of Tuscaloosa. This is Tuscaloosa County. It is this line of storms we're concerned about, moving through western and southwestern Tuscaloosa County. These storms are moving northeast at 40 miles an hour and will likely pass through the city of Tuscaloosa. Again, Tuscaloosa is here. There's the line of severe storms, so it should be in the city of Tuscaloosa soon. We've had lots of reports of strong winds and hail with the line of storms, so that's what you can expect in Tuscaloosa. So again, Tuscaloosa County is now under a severe thunderstorm warning in effect until 4:30 this afternoon. Now, the reason for the tornado warning you see on your screen is that Greene County remains under a tornado warning for the next 15 minutes until 3:45. This is Greene County, and in this segment of that line of storms in northern Greene County, we've seen a couple of times an indication of a tornado there. So those of you in the northern half of Greene County should go ahead and go to a safe place. So a tornado warning continues in effect for northern Greene County until 3:45 this afternoon. And also we have Hale County under a severe thunderstorm warning until 3:45. This is Hale County, and as you can see, that line of storms will soon be crossing the Warrior River on into Hale County. So once again, the current warning situation, the latest warning that's just been issued, a severe thunderstorm warning for Tuscaloosa County until 4:30. We have a tornado warning continuing for Greene County until 3:45, and a severe thunderstorm warning for Hale County until 3:45 this afternoon. All of the Channel 6 viewing area under a tornado watch. Let's go back one more time to our regional radar composite. All of central and north central Alabama under a tornado watch until 8 o'clock tonight. And also, as we pointed out earlier now, a flash flood watch has been issued for all of our area. So if you live in a flood-prone area, be aware that flooding could also become a problem tonight. In addition to this severe weather erupting off to our south and west of Birmingham, more severe storms are occurring back in parts of Arkansas and Louisiana. We'll have to deal with that later tonight. So this looks like it will be quite a night. We'll be here with frequent updates on the weather for you. I'm James Spann. This has been a live special report from the Channel 6 Weather Center.
So over the years, I've been on drugs since February of a year ago.